I am very much ashamed and disagrees with many things this our sister has come to say on social media. Afiabo Angela Nwosu. Many of you might know her. Afiabo Angela Nwosu Onyibo. Himakwa no name Ronwe or Banje. So, more mmiri na-enye nsogbu. However, I'm going to make 3 points why I disagree, or some of the comments that I need to put out. And it is important because if you are following her, or if you might have, you can go check out her video on her page. I may not put it here. Handy inyem strike. Mana, these 3 things nge make as my point is important for you, because this thing or complain about her own siblings on a many families. Now, before I talk about the solution or my comment, let me say a little bit of what she said. Osiri, now she is not in good terms with her siblings. Literally saying so many things she has done, somehow condemning them, because Osina, she has done everything possible to make it work out. They had the 3 siblings, and the senior one had run with her, but they are not quarreling. But the younger one too, which she longed to be in relationship in good terms with, Nyananka had run too. Or see that now, anytime her waking up 1 year or 2 years without talking to each other, man, that doesn't mean that they are quarreling. She now said that now anytime it's either they are looking for something or money or something else. There is no bond among them. Whereas she is really highly demanding for it. She is longing for it. She has done everything she could to get that bondship in place. Not possible. And to lay blame to his or their parents. Something like that. I may not say all of them could go, but literally Iho Meredia just to condemn the siblings, that they are not in good terms. Now, number 1, what is my portion here? Why am I ranting here? What is my correction and my point? The first point in Chori make here, but social media is the wrong place to do something like this. You can rant or talk about yourself, but not about someone else, because she made mention of saying that she don't want to say everything here, but you have said it all. You don't want to do that to portray them bad, but you have done it already. Social media is a devil ground to do so. It's a no-go area to bring your family matter to. If you do that, else maybe you are responding to someone. I support you responding to someone who must have called your name. Obona mmadụ kpọrọ gị afa si na gị mere nke a mee, because nwekwa ike bịa na social media respond to that person. Mana gị nwe iburu family matter bubata na social media. For me, it is no go area. Do not do that, because they may come for you, and it provoke onye ọzọ. You are the factor, the producer and the engineer of that problem. She go on to praise herself and say that now they are not ready to make it work out. Bikonu time motakenife. Iwepu our family matters from the social media. It will be the most priority thing. It's just to make content. Your family matter is not something you will use to make content. To have to bring in disunity between you and your siblings, but do not do it on social media. In where you keep on muna, in where you keep on the uncle, in where you keep on the ikunibe, in where you keep in the church, and when you keep me in a very helpful manner. Social media is to nobody. You are just escalating the problem the worst. This social media in a way to make content is crazy. I'm a bunonya na enwe problem. Mana nke kpọrọ ụmụnne gị bata orugo mgbe a ga-eti ya ọnụ ka ndị ọzọ mụrụ ife, because otu o si wee kwu na o nwere fans, o nwere followers, before you know it ha emewekwuo the same thing. Ọ jọgburu onwe anụ kata bifo ịmanye na-eme ha achọba ndụ ya ma ọ bụ na ndị ajọ mmadụ emecha onwe ife mmeri na-asị ya na ụmụnne egbuo ya ọ na onye nke. Because if you look for trouble, trouble will look for you. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-ege ntị onu nkịta emekwana this kind of thing. Ọ jọgburu onwe. It is no go area for me. What she did was not looking for a solution, because she even went on to say, don't come writing, don't come telling me do this, do that, I have done it all. Then why did you bring it to the social media? You brought it in there, you brought it in the social media, ki just made her expose. For what gain? Ki we kwuo content creator ka gini. Ama m na ọ gaghị afụ this post. Mana uche mbụ ka ndị ọzọ mụrụ ife. Mana onwe ka isi wee fu post a gị Angela Nwosu ka gịnị ka a na-akpọ gị ya Angela Nwosu, biko yọọ ha mgbaghara. Just apologize. If possible, tell your fans that na if you mere adoro good. Because if they are following you, what is the example in a put forward? Apologize and withdraw from this kind of thing. You can use yourself. I from another post email. I just saw it on my page, for you page called in feed. For being a use sellotape. This is content. You are using yourself. It is harmless. I can say more, but let me go to my point number 2. Number 2, like I said, is passing blame. She literally passed blame to her parents. She said that the upbringing is bad. Ojoka. Yes, anwe onye bu sugar. Even sugar they may by diabetes. Mana, oburuna, your parents made a mistake. It is not your duty to rant about it. Now, in wanna or to your own distance now, or one came on, or what? So, mana, you will raise them. To raise children are easy. Now you are saying, accusing them, mother, if you have a kids, let them grow up, bond them together. And you literally said it that if I have okundi mana, I will prefer you don't bring in your parents in this picture or your upbringing in this picture. It is your fault to do what you want to do or become. Yes, upbringing matters, but bringing them in a way of blaming them. Say, now it has turned to be this form or this way now. It is the fault of the upbringing. And so many of us today. If we have yes, of upbringing. It is too stubborn upbringing. My father, my mother, passing blames on others are joker. In her story, it may be my fault. However, that was just a comment. But the root of the whole video passed blame on her siblings or the parents, the upbringing. That is really, really bad. Now, that takes me to the point number 3 in Chori make. Is more of the solution. I have had and seen this situation so many places and so many times. And the steady. And from the story okoro, ịga-afụkwa ebe o kwuru maka na ya na nke the senior one, yanwa bụ the middle one. So if there are 3 sisters, yanwa nọ na middle. So the senior one mana she actually want to have that bond with this younger one. Now, yeah, na dịka nemesis. Ọ bụrụ na the senior one expects your bond, the bond from the younger one. It is exactly whatever you sow, you reap. In the senior one, one way or the other, the senior one will come with some prizes so paid in your life, taking care of you even while you were small. But he told go bruzie celebrity, bruzie blogger, or bruzie, because not everybody will be happy with the way you climbed. So, but however, in a ego, ichorema, onasi na enye feze eze eluye. Again, onye feze eze eluye. Abohi, the senior one, you did not pay your due respect unto her, and you want your younger one to pay unto you, to run after you. It's karma. The senior one not there. Go and respect, because that is a solution. If you have tried other solution, try this one. Obviously, I'm not eager for this video. Unless you give now watching a click like. By the time you click like, click on your also click here. YouTube push this video. Or no share it to her and tag her, please. I will beg you. But my lesson and my reason book. Kamu magi na watch kita gerunti gelu muru one way or the other. Enwe hana senior in the house. If that person's praise or glory is taken, the other people will take your glory. If you neglect the senior, the younger ones will also neglect your or take your glory. It is just too clear. Principle of life. I'm not going to this video. She is born to live her life the way she wants, but social media can channel, so we must keep on bringing correction, because when you you're ranting about whatever you are saying is the wrong place, the wrong way, the wrong vibe. Everything, what you just said, in my conclusion, I will say, this is normal thing in the families. Because family matters a lot. Without family, you are. This is not just a term; it's African root. Africa believe that unity makes you. In united we stand. As in Ubuntu. Ubuntu means it means because you are, that is why I am. And most Europeans with their own context, but because I am, that is why we are. But in Africa, because we are, that is why I am. So, obuna ekwensu turo bagara batana your family. Marana ekwensu. Don't deal with that person. Deal with the Satan. So, if you could not get everyone to be on the same boat or in the same page, you try or somebody with understanding among your relatives. Again, where is somebody? And most of the time, they are reachable, but you have to long for them. Again, where is understanding that will be able to reinstall the unity in the family. But not possible. Live your life, but don't bring it to the social media, especially when you are not aiming for solution. Bringing it to the social media is the worst and the worst place to go for solution. Imagine onya afona asa or onya ago na ago or gaba na wilderness. Onya ago na ago. Ke hi ga afu na wilderness. Obo mmiri ka ị ga afu there. Obo kwa nri ka ị ga afu. Obo kwa mmadu ka ị ga afu. Even in what they say, so where will you find the bias na mkpadi bia na akpo onya aho di? In other words, onya aho adiro na achoro dibia gaba ma o choro doctor gaba. Nke a bi buru ga the wrong place. Echi niile na unless mo no just no unu ncha mere agree ka use oye for content creating, because so ihe na-emezi kita anakata papa na mama ema agree, nwa na nna ema agree, di na nwunye ema agree to just use the medium, take the opportunity of content creating medium to create content to tinye ndị mmadụ n'ọgbagha, because so if they useless na ga viral. I don't know why. This is what the Westerners has brought to us. Ihe dị useless bụ ihe a ga-eme ọ ga viral. M ga-eme video for this. Mana may God help us. Go on our watch ma onye ọzọ biko share. And I would like you to put your own comment down there. I try to hear the video here because if I didn't say much good about her, she might report the video and they will take it down. So, Manabo this thing, you may see it there. But I would prefer you comment, tell me reason how you deal with situations among you and your siblings when there is a disagreement. They disagree to agree. It will come often, but all not is stable, permanent. Ekwensu and all to that family, because Ekwensu have good at no nudo again future a better, easy to grow and pull out the family from hard time. Manobu na enwe disunity, obviously. It's either no phone bini or madebo bini, the family are not. So all attack on the family. And it happens and is happening to many people and in many families. That now even their own siblings are now becoming their most enemy. On mana solution yadi. We will find the solution before the throne of grace, before the wisdom God has given us na Bible. Munwabe ekene bụ onye ụka. Mana ụfọdụ bụ na eburu onye ụka emukwa ndị Chineke nyere amamihe na villages na anaba anyị gasị chọọ solution in the right way, not in a harsh way. Ka Chukwu nọnyere unu. Udo dịrị gị. Ndị Igbo ekene unu. Na-atụnyere m, click the like button and share. Bye.